In this video, I'm going to show you how to bounce a track in Cubase. So there's actually a few ways. I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. The first one's going to be to click on your audio to select it, and then you want to go and render in place. So go to Edit top left, and you can then go and click on Render in place. Click on the render settings, and then from here you can choose your settings over here like processing, mode, etc. And then you can give it a name, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to name this one audio 1 like this. And then you want to select your file location where you want to bounce this. I'm going to choose over here. And I'm actually going to go to my downloads. And then in this, let's do the mix down button, okay? Or folder. So I'm going to click on select folder. And then all you have to do when you're happy with your settings, click on render. And that's going to render your audio. And it's going to save it onto your computer in the folder you selected, okay? And that's the first way to actually bounce your track. So whenever you've done this, of course, it's been bounced. And as you can see over here, I can also use many different ways. So I could go and just go to File and then like Export, and I could just do Audio Mix Down or Quick Out Audio Export. And if I do that, I can just select that specific track. For example, if I do just one, I can just do like Audio 1. There we go. It's going to just pick this one over here. And I can just go and export like usual, select the name, select locators, the file type, etc., and hit the export audio button. That's the second way you can do this. And you could also go and just bounce selection. So if you want to bounce your selection, just select some audio. I'm going to select this one, and then you want to go to audio. It says bounce selection, and when you click on it over here, you can simply go ahead and just like ignore this, and it's going to automatically bounce your selection. Okay, so those are all the ways to bounce. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.